then you do the share. But at least we can see that if you have such a, for the past 24 days, we have done so many practices. Is there any question that you guys have regarding any of the practices, or any question or clarification that you want? No, everything is clear. As it is, I think the book is quite easy and simple to understand. Even if you are reading it on your own, you'll understand it, right? And the practices are also simple, and you just have to write. That's it. Okay, but you have to write. Without doing the practices regularly, the magic wand doesn't work. Okay, all these exercises, the way they are planned, if you do them regularly, then only the magics will start showing in your life and also in the others if you use the magic wand. Yes. So let's wait for, I think, 5 more minutes, then we'll start the reading. So in the morning,
Sharing.
yes, Tanvi, very nice. I think let a couple of more people come, then you start the sharing, you know, so that they get inspired and motivated to do their practices properly.
Masi, also in the magic dust, we just have to imagine sprinkling, like you have to thank and imagine the people being sprinkled with magic dust, right?
Yes, yes. And
Just that.
if you imagine that, you know, such something in a sense, like either like snowfall or some golden powder is falling on them, the book is saying then it's more effective. Then you can actually feel it more. Not that yes, it is falling on them. Not that, you know, so many people are there. Kisko kara hai, humne pata hi nahi. If you imagine that, you know, this magic dust that you are sprinkling is falling then on them, then it's supposed to be more effective. Okay. Otherwise, like I have never thought that, you know, some powder or dust is falling on them. I've always thought that yes, I am sending it, they are receiving it. I've always thought of like that. If you can visualize.
I sprinkle silver glitter.
Okay, cool. That is also cool. Yes. Yeah. Wonderful. Yes. So just few more days to go. I think Monday will be our last session, no? One second, let me just see.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, basically all the practices which is in the magic book, we all have to do all of them every day, like A to Z.
No, you don't have to do all of them every day. It's like what you incorporate in your daily routine without taking an extra effort, that you can do. And just those are also quite a few, right? Right from writing your blessings, rock, magic footstep, food, water. These you can do anytime. Yeah, magic. Yeah.
It's okay, ma'am. It's okay, na, that it's like few things like these things in our mind only. We keep saying thank you.
Yes, 100%. Like the magic morning was like this only. That whatever you are looking at, whatever you are touching, you are just saying thank you for that. Okay. And if you do this practice while you're taking a bath, it's wonderful. That time you're actually touching your body organs, body parts. And when you are doing gratitude, otherwise what will you think? You'll probably think of some song or think of some work that you have to do. That is the best time. You are in the loo all alone, no one to disturb you at that time. If you are, when you are applying some body wash or applying water, the water is the most important thing in the power book only. Whatever we discussed, why water is important, it's all there in the power book. Okay, if you guys are interested, I'll just take a screenshot and send it to you, that why is water so important. So when you're in touch with water, like we said, even when you're washing your face, washing your hands, drinking water, whatever you want your body to become, in the sense like the healthy part, you can always tell the water. Like I do it like this, like whenever I'm washing my hands, I always say thank you water for cleaning my hands, thank you water for whatever I want. Suppose yeah, so good, you do that. And not just cleaning your hands, it's like if you want some confidence booster, or you feel that yes, I want to be more intelligent, I want to be more smart, anything, that also you can tell the water. Because when you are telling the water, not only that running water, the water in your body, each cell is surrounded by water, and each cell has 70% of water. Even that water is listening to you and working accordingly. Okay, so whatever you want regarding your health, just tell the water.
I started telling thank you to water since 2-3 days, and I can already see an improvement in my skin, like
Wow.
since today.
Yes, you will. Let us also see. Yeah.
Actually during this time I sit outside at my friend's house because inside some puja is going on. So I cannot go inside. I'll surely
Hmm.
like when I'll be at my home in 2-3 days, I'll on my video. Right now my video is on, but you can just see the city.
Okay, yes, yes, okay. So what I'm saying is next time when we do the session, I will make it mandatory that yes, the videos have to be on. See, initially I did not do that because I felt, maybe some people may not want to come to the session just because of the video cameras. Yeah. So I thought learning and understanding and following is more important. But once in a while, I would also like to see, there in my team who is attending. I would like to see the expressions कि हाँ कुछ बकवास हमने बोला है या कुछ समझ में आ रहा है, or are you distracted, or are you looking at something else, So just for that reason. Yes. So I think let's start with the sharings and then within a few minutes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, basically the thing that I said that I want to fit into this group of friends. So should I write that in my blessings or in my wishes?
In your wishes, see, blessings are always which you have already got, which you already have. Okay. A little bit tweaking is allowed in the sense like if I say that I'm so blessed that my food was very yummy. Of course, I had food. Yeah. So I'm saying that food is very yummy. Maybe it was not 100% yummy, 90 tha, and I'm writing that it is yummy. Okay. So that little bit of desire I can add. But food to मैंने खाया ही, food के लिए तो हम grateful हैं ही. Yeah. That way you have to write. If you're writing in your blessings, you have to write for the previous group of friends that you had or the current group of friends that you have. But if you want to write for your, for the group in which you want to connect, that you have to write in your dreams. Okay. Yeah. So in the end, we'll wish Anushri a very happy birthday. Yes. Will you be there?
Happy birthday.
Yeah. Or will you run away? You have a party or something, Anushri? Or let's do it now only. Like Avni, we were waiting that day, and of course, I understood like must be guests and dinner at home. So she vanished. Yes, Anushri. How was your day? We can't hear you.
Sharing about my birthday. So at night, I normally don't sleep till 12, 12:30, 1 most of the times, but I slept at 10 yesterday night. And my mom and dad woke me up at 12 o'clock, and they came and they brought me here, and they had put up all these balloons and all here, if you can see.
Yes, I
a
can
little
see
bit.
that. Happy birthday. Yeah.
And they never do something like this. They just put normal balloons, but I had thought ki rose gold color mein aisa hona chahiye and all, and I did not tell anyone about it. But so yeah, they brought this and they put this up, and they were like, अच्छा है तुम सो गए थे तो हमको ये करने के लिए time मिल गया. So that was one thing, and I got a cake because everything opened up, and so they brought me a big cake, a nice cute cake. And today in the lunch, I love chicken, and mama does not make chicken at home. Mama is a vegetarian, but me and my brother are non-vegetarians. So we love mama's chicken. Like when she makes, sometimes she makes it and we love it. But mama is like, no, uski bahut smell aati hai, I won't make it. And aise hamesha mama is no. And today mama surprised me with, like, she had made that chicken exactly the same thing that I wanted to eat. And I was so happy about that. And it was just great. I had a very, very great day.
Yeah, it's wonderful, and a very, very, very happy birthday to you from all of us. Yes, and all your wishes are coming.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Yes.
Wonderful, wonderful sharing. And you have to thank everyone. Okay, of course you must have done it, that's why it happened. But after you receive what you have asked for, okay, you have to thank so that this cycle continues. If you just take some gifts from someone and you don't thank, what will happen? The other person will not be so keen on giving the gifts, or maybe the gifts will come but they'll become a little smaller. See why I keep telling this? Because we tend to forget in the excitement that we have to thank for something that we have already received. ओके उसके पहले हम लोग बहुत थैंक यू कर लेते हैं, बट आफ्टर रिसीविंग वी काइंड ऑफ भूल जाते हैं एक्साइटमेंट में, इतने खुश हो जाते हैं हम ही ने इसको मंगा लिया अपने लाइफ में थैंक यू करके. ठीक है, तो उसके बाद का ग्रैटिट्यूड इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, So wish you a very, very, very happy life. Stay blessed always. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Wonderful. Hmm. Yes, Tanvi, you have a sharing, no? Right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So I have this teacher, like she's a close teacher. So she was planning to get married,
Hmm.
and she had been in the relationship for 4 years, and I knew about it. She like a close teacher, so
Hmm.
she wanted to ask, like her parents also knew about it, and they were cool about just the relationship. So this time she wanted to ask about the marriage
Hmm.
because she's old and now she's abroad. So she wanted to ask about the marriage, and she so the the boyfriend, he also knows me because even he was in my school. So because even he was a teacher in my school, and even that was a teacher. So I knew both of them equally, and both of them know me equally. So that person tells me something, that person tells me something. So I'm the between my person. So
Huh.
what happened was that teacher had to ask her mom for the marriage, and she was a little nervous because her mom she takes time to agree
Hmm.
onto such decisions that she has to make. So she messaged me that please pray everything between sir and me is fine, because he has given me a deadline now to convince my mother because it's late. They are already 29, both of them. So she's like, it's late and I want to convince my mother. So please pray everything is fine. And yesterday, because I got to know this magic wand, so I was sure that that was one person I will be doing it for. And not today, but yesterday night only, I decided that I will just imagine, and tomorrow I will do the proper practice. So I imagined yesterday, I said thank you, and I imagined that they're getting married in the church and everything. And today morning, she messaged me that sir has said, like her to be husband has said that forget about the deadline. You try to convince them. I'll be waiting. So she was very happy. Earlier, she was a bit worked up. So she was trying to, aggressively convince her mother, but now she's chilled. So I'm still doing it for her. So it'll get better. So it was one step closer to what I wanted. So
Yeah.
it was good.
Cool. Very good. Very good. So see,
And it was absolutely the way I wanted. So I imagined that she messaged me, and she actually did message me. So it was just that way.
yes, wonderful, Tanvi, wonderful. And you're thinking and thinking about someone else's happiness and planning that way is like really nice.
Called for her picture, like I said, because I have both got different picture, and I wanted the picture together. I called for a picture and I visualized. So I did that today, but yesterday night I had started doing it.
Wonderful. Very nice, Tanvi. And like, see, if you do like this, your life will start becoming more magical. Okay.
Yeah, because she was so happy and she's like, bless you, love you, stuff like that. And she was elated with the way it just happened. So I have told her how to write. So I have told her also to write every day morning. Like we write our blessings. I've told her she's writing it, but of course she'll have different thoughts coming, like what will mom say and stuff. So I'm doing it separately for her.
So what you do is you can guide her to do the practices daily, Tanvi. Okay.
Yeah.
Since you are doing it, you start kind of taking a session for her or anyone else okay, and you can start from day 0 and guide them how to do it. Okay, day 0, day 1, like how we are doing here, you can start with them. Okay, and or whoever else you can gather, start with them. When you are doing it, your practice becomes better. It's like
when I was explaining it to her how to write the blessing and how to write the dream like in the present tense, so even I understood that some things I should change, some things I should also tell you, like how I have written and what I should change. So I felt nice, like unko bhi samjha, mujhe bhi samjha, so it was good.
Yes, wonderful. That's why it is all. Remember when maybe your sister was a little smaller. Of course, when both of you were a little smaller, you could explain to her better. You could understand कहाँ पे वो अटकती होगी. So okay, यही उसको नहीं समझ में आ रहा होगा, है ना? So you are explaining to someone else. Your thoughts or your thinking gets clearer about that particular subject. Yes. Okay, so very nice, Tanvi.
Thank you so much. And it was so quick. Like night I did it, morning she messaged. So it was so nice.
And this happened only because you were doing gratitude regularly. Had you not been doing the practices as planned, तो उतना जल्दी शायद नहीं होता. Time लगता होता because you are using the law of attraction and gratitude. Maybe it would have taken a little longer. Okay, so good, and you keep doing the other gratitudes as well, and life will be more magical. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, and thank you for the sharing. Anyone else who used the wand and nahi bhi uska koi result aaya, doesn't matter. How did you feel when you did the practice? Because like I also did the practice, and I felt very nice that yes, that I could do my bit, in attracting something good for the other person. Maybe it may take some time. Maybe I have to do the practice a little more. Yeah, कि उसने जो भी अपना non gratitude से अपने पास इकट्ठा किया है, मेरे एक gratitude से will be a little slow ना, है ना? जिसकी लाइफ में हम चेंज लेना चाहते हैं, आई डोंट नो उसने कितने कंप्लेंट्स करके रखे हुए हैं. सो इफ आई एम वर्किंग फॉर समवन एल्स, फर्स्ट आई हैव टू कलेक्ट अ लॉट ऑफ ग्रैटिट्यूड एंड पावर माई सेल्फ. जब मेरे पास होगा देन ओनली आई कैन आस्क फॉर समवन एल्स. तो वो पावर ग्रैटिट्यूड से इकट्ठा कर रहे हैं हम लोग. सेकेंडली, अगर सामने वाले ने ज्यादा कंप्लेंट्स करके रखी हुई तो इट माइट टेक अ लिटिल लॉन्गर. Okay, so if you want, you can continue the practice on a regular basis. Like Khushi, you were asking now, like which practices should you do regularly? If you feel your relationship with someone has to improve, you can do that magical photograph wala, magical relationship wala practice on a regular basis. Not
Okay.
necessarily 3. You can just do with 1 or 2 or 1 on a daily basis. You can do it. Okay. उसमें तो कुछ नहीं करना है. If you want, you can write. Otherwise, you can just look at the photograph and keep on doing it. That yes, this person is so nice, this person had done this much, I'm so thankful. वो कर सकते हो. मैजिक वॉर्ड हम लोग को रेगुलरली जरूरत पड़ती रहती है. इट्स लाइक फैमिली है, हमारे फ्रेंड्स हैं, उनको कुछ इफ यू कैन डू समथिंग फॉर देम, इट्स वेरी नाइस. वो कर सकते हैं हम लोग रेगुलरली. मैग्निफिसेंट आउटकम इज अमेजिंग प्रैक्टिस. इफ यू आर अप्लाइंग for something somewhere, just write about it. If you're expecting a result, just write about it. If you're going to a doctor, if you're going for your hair spa, a haircut, ये भी कितना बड़ा इशू है ना. एक तो कैसे हेयर कट जाते हैं, तो कितने जब तक लॉन्ग नहीं हो जाते, we are like bothered, oh God, कैसे हो गए, कैसे कलरिंग हो गई क्या. So you can write about that. If you're going for a new tuition or new session, anything, this magnificent outcome is just amazing. Once you start seeing the results, you will feel, अरे अभी तक हम इसको क्यों नहीं कर रहे थे. This is what has happened. लोग क्या करते हैं, आज कर लिया, ठीक है, जब चैप्टर ने बोला तब हमने कर लिया. फिर हम लोग like when we had started, it's like कुछ इशू आई, so we used to talk, like हमारा जैसे ये ग्रुप है वैसे हमारा फ्रेंड्स का भी एक ग्रुप है, all of us are into this. तो उन्होंने बोला ये नहीं किया तुमने, हमने नहीं, ये करो, ये तो बहुत इफेक्टिव है. एंड देन व्हेन आई डिड, आई वाज लाइक वाओ, दिस इज अमेजिंग. एंड नाउ आई डू इट रेगुलरली, एंड whoever gets the results, they do it very often, and each time it works. डिग्री कभी कभी कम ज्यादा हो सकती है, बट इट वर्क्स ईच टाइम. सो दिस इज वन मोर प्रैक्टिस दैट आई लाइक हाईली रिकमेंड, कि ये करना ही चाहिए एकदम. यस. सो और किसी ने नहीं किया मैजिक वॉन्ड? आई एम अमेज्ड, सरप्राइज्ड. या नित्या, यू डिड इट?
Yeah, I was sharing. Just a minute.
Yeah.
Yeah. So there's this friend of mine, and his father was infected with COVID, and it was a serious situation, like kind of a serious situation, and it has been since a month. And he was there in a hospital in Kolkata since some time, and he was not able to meet him. So I used this magic wand for him because like he was really sad these days. So, and today itself morning he messaged me that I'm going to Kolkata to see my father because doctor has allowed, as he is getting into a better situation, and he's also gonna move to the flat from the hospital, and it was really good.
Okay, very nice, very good. And how did you do the practice? You looked at your friends' photographs and expect.
Yeah, I looked at their photographs because I'm also pretty close to his father. We have been on trips and stuff. So I looked at our picture together, and then I visualized.
Okay.
I actually visualized him calling me, and that is the way it came true.
Okay, wow. See, but you have to use a photograph of one person, not two people in one photograph.
Yeah, no,
like
I
Janki
used
also
a
said,
photograph of mine and his father.
Yeah, you and that person is okay, but it should not be that two different people. Okay, it should not be that. Yeah. Okay, wonderful, very nice. See, the more you practice this, and when you see something, small things will start happening because we've just started the practice. And when we are doing it regularly, then we will see like real big magics happening. Big magic could be I don't know क्या आपके लाइफ में big magic आएगा, but big magics भी होने लगी. अच्छा, what about your check? Are you giving that gratitude to the check regularly? Okay, and along with that you have to जब याद आए ना कि yes बचपन में ये लेके आए थे मम्मी पापा, अभी तो regularly you can keep doing because you're still getting that money in the sense like that item from your parents. So keep on doing the gratitude for that also. Okay, so any other sharing or should we start the reading?
I think if we help others with something, or if we wish good for others, then even that also gives us a magnificent outcome.
Yes, that definitely that gives. Yeah, that definitely does. But what happens, वो भी होता है, उसका एक अलग है, ठीक है. And magnificent outcome is like it can be for anything, ना, that you want. Like I told you, like if you're going to the doctor, if you're going to if you're going for a vaccination, anything, and you say yes, I'm so grateful that there was no, everything was cool, proper, without any hassle, sab kuch ho gaya, then those things start happening faster. Okay, that like you are collecting that gratitude, you are collecting that power and directing it in the area that you want. Okay, that is how the magnificent outcome works. Yes, wonderful. Okay. Yes, Avni.
So I did the practice for like the same person that Tanvi was doing because she was also my teacher. So I took a picture of sir and her together. So that doesn't work.
See, the book is telling us it has to be like single person, but in the magical relationship, we read that it can be of you and the other person. Okay. So maybe it can be that you would use the magic wand twice if there are two different people in the photograph.
Okay.
Yeah. So you are expecting, and Avni, you should smile more. Okay.
Today actually I'm not well, so my face is swollen up.
Acha, then what we have to do is, then we should have done the magic wand for you. You send your picture in the group, okay? And all of us will use the magic wand for you. Okay? Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah, and you're perfectly fit and fine. And when you get up tomorrow, you'll be like smiling the whole day. Okay? Yes. Wonderful. Yes. So thank you, Avni. That is clear. The question that, yeah. Okay. Cool.
Auntie, I have a sharing.
Yes, wonderful. Please do.
Yeah, so what happened yesterday? Like after the session got over, I had my dinner and I just went to the kitchen and I was thinking in my mind that I want to eat something sweet. Like there was sweets at home, but I wanted to eat much sweet. I wanted to eat something like a dessert, like it could be a cake, a pudding, or a chocolate. So, but I didn't tell it to anyone. I just went to the kitchen. I washed my hands. I drank water, and I just came out of the. I just came out of the house. And as I came, like, and there were like one of my mamas. He just got a piece of he got a chocolate, and he's like he just got it. So I'm like, okay, give it to me. I just want to eat a chocolate. I was thinking about it, so please give it to me. So he's like, okay, you and my cousin, both of you share it. So I'm like, okay, fine, we'll share it. And then I tried to cut it into 2 pieces, but it was a bit harder. So like I couldn't cut it. So my brother is like, you eat the whole thing. It's okay. I don't want to eat it. So I got the whole chocolate to eat.
Ah, very nice. Cool. This is cool that you were thinking and something came to you. This is how magic happens. Okay. Yes. Excellent. So I have again understood that all of us do more gratitude for food. Huh? जो food के बारे में सोचते हैं वो फट से आ जाता है. You're getting your favorite dish, a big cake, you're getting your dessert, and many of us have shared about food items only. Yes, but wonderful. जैसे जैसे होता जाए, जैसे जैसे magic आना start हो जाए, it is happy. Yeah. 3 बार हम लोग दिन में खाना खाते हैं और उसके बीच बीच में मंचिंग टंचिंग चलती रहती है. So each time we are having tastier, nicer things. It's good for us. Yeah. Wonderful. So I think Vanshika is entering and she will start the reading. So Archit is not here. So still I remember that we have to do the warm-up. Okay. So please unmute yourself and let's do the warm-up and then we'll start a wonderful chapter. Yes. So 1, 2, 3, start fast, but not slow, like a bhajan. Okay. Sorry, not bhajan, but not slow. 1, 2, 3, start. 10 little fingers.
10 little toes, 2 little hands, then 1 little toes. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes, 2 little hands, then 1 little toes.
Yes, thank you. So, Vanchika, are you reading today? Okay. I think, Acha, then who wants to read?
Hasn't get your challenge, so she's gone out of the meeting thrice.
Oh, okay. Okay. So who wants to read? No one wants to read then.
Vanshika has written something in the chat box.
Masi, sorry, I really want to read, but my internet connection is not stable.
Okay, Vanshika, we've understood. Tomorrow I'll write about your network and then you'll read tomorrow. Okay, so be prepared. Yeah. So who else wants to read? Who wants to read today?
Can read. Like if no one is reading.
Okay. Avni, you are reading. No one else volunteered, so you will start the reading. Okay. Yes, please start.
Day 25, Cue the Magic.
Yes. Acha, everyone knows what Q, the meaning of
Yes.
everyone knows?
Yeah.
Yes.
Vivan, you're also clear with that? Not that billiard wala clue. Q. Sorry, this is like that Q, that hint, signal, you know. The young ones are not here, so I thought maybe.
You is like
Yes, ma'am, I'm clear.
Yes, okay. So now when we are talking about cue the magic, so first let's see the picture, then we will understand what is it happening. So can someone tell me what is this? What is happening here? What do you understand from this picture?
It's a director's
Related to a movie.
Same, some movie is gonna be shot.
Yes. Yeah. And we see some reels and this light. And of course, the director's chair has this clapper, this loudspeaker, and there's a lot of magic dust happening here. So why is a director's chair in this book? What do you feel? Why did Rhonda Byrne put it in this book, and who's the director?
We are the director of our own life, like the film of our own life.
Yes, very good, very good. And then if we are the directors of the life, then why is it that then who is giving us the cue?
God.
Yes, very good. And why will he give us the cue? How will we understand?
Ma'am, you know, there was this, I read this in some comic book, it's very old. That life is a drama, world is a theater, we all are actors, and God is the director.
Yeah, yes, very good. ऐसे बोला जाता है. Yes, and you remembered everything.
Shakespeare.
It was, okay, it was,
Yes, this is a Shakespeare quote, Shakespearean quote.
Oh,
okay, wonderful. And I'm so happy that you guys are so, of course, you guys are students and सबको अभी याद रहता होगा, ठीक है? Good. हम तो ये सब चीजें भूल गए हैं, ठीक है? And very nice. It's exactly like that. But again, if you want that you are the director, that you are the director, how are we the directors? Like Nitya said, we are the director. Khushi, you said that God is the director. So if we just go by that, we are the director. Of course, God is the ultimate director, but how are we directing our life? Like I'll tell you, if we have been complaining, if we have been upset about things, if we have been cribbing or below the line or in the negative zone, then our life has chosen a different path. Yes, if you look at our past, ठीक है अभी आप लोग छोटे हो, but जैसे भी आप अपना past में अगर reflect करोगे, you will see that if good things are happening, means you have been grateful. So those parts also you have directed, attracted to you as per the secret and as per the law of attraction. And if there were things which you did not like, but they are still there, those also you have only attracted. So actually we are the directors of our lives, in the sense like we choose what role we are playing. Yeah. And universe is giving us the cue. God is giving us the cue. And how is he giving us the cue, and what cues is he giving to us? We will read about that. Will those cues, why are cues given actually in a, you know, in a drama or an act? Why are the cues given? To improve the performance, to make the act proper, you know, without any disturbances, right? कि हम कुछ भूल गए, हमको किसी ने हिंट दे दी, राइट? इसलिए हमको जो भी क्यू देता है इसलिए देता है. तो सेम वे अगर हमको यूनिवर्स क्यू दे रही है, मतलब वो हमको गाइड करना चाह रही है कि तुम कुछ गड़बड़ कर रहे हो, या इस जगह में तुमने कम ग्रैटिट्यूड किया है. पूरी बुक ग्रैटिट्यूड के बारे में है. एंड यूनिवर्स हमको क्यू देगी कि यहाँ पे, अच्छा एक और भी चीज, अगर हमको कोई क्यू दे रहा है और हम उसकी तरफ देख ही नहीं रहे, सुन ही नहीं रहे, यू थिंक दैट क्यू इज वर्केबल?
No.
आंसर नो, नॉट वर्केबल. ट्रू. तो क्यू लेने के लिए हमको क्या होना पड़ेगा?
We have to be
Grateful.
Grateful, definitely, but we have to be alert and aware to notice that cue also, है ना? अगर कोई आप एग्जाम में कोई आपको हेल्प भी करता है, ठीक है, आप उसको पूछे जा रहे हो, सुन ही नहीं रहा है. हाँ, आप उसको बताना भी चाहते हो कि नहीं वो रॉन्ग लिख रहा है या रॉन्ग आंसर कर रहा है. एंड रिमेंबर व्हेन, रिमेंबर तो हमको करना पड़ेगा, यू गाइज मस्ट बी रिमेंबरिंग इट, यू नो. हाँ, हो सकता है लॉकडाउन के पहले हुआ हो, दैट योर टीचर हैज आस्क्ड द स्टूडेंट राइट नेक्स्ट टू यू अबाउट अ क्वेश्चन, to answer a question, and that girl or boy stood up and she is about to say something wrong. What would you do? You would probably, you know, nudge her, okay, or do something and try to tell her the answer softly, or someone behind her would help her, right? ऐसा किया है आप लोग ने?
yes.
Yeah. So
Try
आप
to prompt her.
उसको क्यों दे रहे हो, एंड वो सुन ही नहीं रही है और रॉन्ग आंसर अपना दी जा रही है, तो क्या हुआ, शी इज नॉट अलर्ट, शी इज नॉट टेकिंग द हेल्प. सो टू थिंग्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. वन, दैट आई हैव टू बी वेरी अलर्ट एंड अवेयर कि क्या क्यों मिल रहा है मेरे को, कब मिल रहा है. इट्स नॉट दैट कि जब हम गलती कर रहे हो तभी मिल रहा है. हम जब जनरली अवेयर रहेंगे तभी तो हम देख पाएंगे ना कि कोई हमको हेल्प कर रहा है. या सो वी हैव टू बी अवेयर एंड अलर्ट एंड वी हैव टू बी ग्रेटफुल टू गेट दीज क्यूज. ठीक है, वरना वो क्यूज भी हमको नहीं मिलेंगे. मिल भी रहे होंगे और अगर अपन अलर्ट नहीं है तो हम लोग को दिखाई नहीं देंगे. सेकेंडली, अगर हम लोग ग्रेटिट्यूड करते ही नहीं है तो हम जितना भी अवेयर अलर्ट बने रहे, इधर उधर देखते रहे, हमको कोई हेल्प नहीं कर रहा है, तो हम कुछ, मेरे अलर्टनेस का कुछ फायदा भी नहीं है. राइट. So Avni, let's read. How are we going to get the cues and how can we be alert?
Like carefulness, we need to play so that we can rediscover the magic all around us. Flora Colau, B. 1954, writer and therapist.
Yes. So life is playfulness, just like Khushi told us that life is a drama. This world is a stage, right? This was the quote now. And
World is a theater, we all are actors, and God is the director.
yeah. So now if we see this, life is playfulness. If everyone is acting, if everyone is, everyone is acting, then of course it's playfulness, right? वरना कैसे होएगा? मस्ती में सब लोग तभी एक्ट कर रहे हैं, तभी प्ले कर रहे हैं. And we need to play so that we can rediscover the magic all around us. Rediscover क्यों? क्योंकि जब हम लोग छोटे थे, तब हम लोग छोटे मतलब like really toddlers थे, not you guys, maybe 6, maybe up to 8. हम लोग मैजिक में एकदम 100% विश्वास नहीं तो काफी ज्यादा विश्वास रहता था कि यस, जो हम चाहते हैं वो हमको मिल जाता है. एक वो वाले की क्लाउड्स में रेनडियर है, रेनबो कहाँ से निकली, रेनबो के एंड पे वो ट्रेजर है, ये सारी चीजों में हमको विश्वास था. अब हम लोग वो एज वी ग्रू ओल्ड इन द सेंस लाइक ओल्डर, हम लोग भूलते गए ये सारी चीजें. वी गॉट इन्वॉल्व इन दिस रैट रेस अबाउट स्टडीज, एग्जाम्स, अप्रूवल्स, दिस दैट, and we lost track of this magic. And now if we are in this happy playful mode, then we will be rediscovering the magic all around us. जैसे इस बुक में आते ही आपको नहीं लग रहा है जो छोटी छोटी चीजें पहले होती थी या आप ध्यान भी नहीं देते होगे उनके ऊपर, now they are, it's like ये भी मैजिक है, वो भी मैजिक है. For me, तो this is like rediscovering, not about just play, it is about being grateful and I'm seeing the magic happening all around me. Yes, Avni, please read.
Today's practice, Cue the Magic, is one of my favorite practices because it's a game you play with the universe and it's a lot of fun. Imagine that the universe is friendly and caring and that it wants you to have everything you want in life. Because the universe can't just walk up and hand you what you want. It uses the law of attraction to give you signs and cues to help you receive your dreams. The universe knows you have to feel gratitude to bring forth your dreams. So it plays its part in the game by giving you personal cues to remind you to be grateful. It uses the people, circumstances, and events that surround you in your day as your magic cues to be grateful. It works like this.
Yeah, so just once again. Now, Rhonda is telling us that universe is giving us cues, okay? And why is it giving us cues? It is giving us cues to remind us that we have to be grateful to attract our dreams. ठीक है, तो हमारी सबकी एक ड्रीम लिस्ट बनी हुई है. Yeah, suppose, like I'll tell you, if I want to attract a project in my life, like a big project, an office project I want to do, that's in my dream list. बट अगर हम नॉर्मल कोर्स में हमको लगता है बाकी चीजों के लिए हम ग्रेटफुल हो रहे हैं, तो मेरे पास ऑटोमेटिक ऑफिस भी आ जाएगा, दैट ऑफिस प्रोजेक्ट दैट आई वांट टू डू. बट हम सब चीज के लिए ग्रेटफुल हो रहे हैं, लेकिन जिसके लिए हमको होना है एक्चुअल में, उसके लिए हम ग्रेटफुल हो ही नहीं रहे. तो यूनिवर्स नहीं बोलेगा कितनी बुद्धू है, पैसे पैसे मांग रही है, बोल रही लॉटरी मिल जाए, लेकिन लॉटरी की टिकट तो खरीदेगी ही नहीं, तो कैसे मिलेगा? यू अंडरस्टैंड? सो नाउ यूनिवर्स विल मे बी give me some cues. How will it give me? Maybe it will keep showing some office projects ka ad in the magazines that I'm reading, or something will come on the TV and I'll remember, acha, this is such a big office, then I'll say thank you God that I'm doing this wonderful project. या जो मेरे पास्ट के कोई ऑफिसेस हमने किए होंगे, हम उनके लिए प्रॉपर्ली ग्रेटफुल नहीं हुए होंगे, इसलिए आई विल बी maybe those people will call me कि नहीं ये भी ऑफिस में आपने ये किया था, if you want to click photographs. You understanding? It's like if I want something, I have to be grateful for that particular thing in the past also. यस इट्स लाइक हम लोग को अच्छी हेल्थ चाहिए, तो हम लोग पास्ट की हेल्थ के बारे में भी ग्रेटफुल होना. वी स्टार्टेड लाइक दैट पास्ट प्रेजेंट फ्यूचर. If you want a good relationship, first we have to be grateful for the relationships that we have already had in our life. So the universe will give us cues to attract our dreams. And कैसे करेगी वो, हमको क्यों देगी, हमको उन चीजों की याद दिलाएगी, वो चीजें दिखाएगी हमको जिनके लिए हमको ग्रेटफुल होना है. कैसे होएगा? एंड सी, so it plays its part in the game by giving you personal cues to remind you. तो जो मेरा क्यू है वो आपका क्यू नहीं होएगा. It can be अब क्यों हम कैसे बताएं. It's like, let's read this example, then it will be clear. Yeah, let's read this example.
Yes, Masi. If you hear an ambulance siren, the magic cue from the universe is to be grateful for perfect health. If you see a police car, your magic cue is to be grateful for safety and security. If you see someone reading a newspaper, it's your magic cue to be thankful for great news.
Yeah, continue.
If you want to change the weight of your body, when you see another person with your perfect weight, it's your magic cue from the universe to be thankful for your perfect weight. If you want a romantic partner, when you see a couple madly in love, it's your magic cue to be grateful for the perfect partner. If you want to have a family, when you see babies and children, take the magic cue and be grateful for children. When you pass by your bank or an ATM, it's your magic cue to be grateful for plenty of money. When you arrive home, it's your magic cue to be grateful for your home. And when a neighbor calls in to have a cup of coffee or you wave to them across the street, it's your magic cue to be grateful for your neighbors.
Yes, so it's like now you understood like what has to be done. Okay, like if you she has given us cues that if we see a bank, then we can be grateful for the money that we already have. Or if it comes to your mind that yes, I see the bank and I'm so grateful that I'm about to get some payment. Okay, so each thing that you see can remind you of something. Like it, maybe seeing some photograph, Tanvi can think of something else and Avni will think of something else. That's how Gana. It's like when you're looking at a serial, some guys will notice the person's dress or the attire that the person is wearing, but a different person will notice maybe the face or maybe the physique. ऐसा होता है ना. So what you are looking in that particular cue is only for you. Yes, जिसको आप देख रहे हो वो ही आपका क्यू है. माने आपको जो नोटिस में आ रहा है. Of course, you are seeing the whole picture, but जो आपके नोटिस में आ रहा है आपके लिए वो ही क्यू है कि yes, इसके लिए हमको thankful होना है. Is it clear? It's like how she has told us कि अगर आप बैंक देख रहे हो, maybe you can think कि yes, I'm about to get some money, I'm so thankful for that particular project or for that particular gift that you are going to get or that scholarship. Or someone can be grateful कि yes, मेरे बैंक में इतने सारे पैसे हैं, आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट. अगर आप एम्बुलेंस के सायरन सुनते हो जो आजकल भी इतने सारी है, यू कैन बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर योर हेल्थ और यू कैन बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर योर फैमिलीज हेल्थ और यू कैन बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर द पीपल हु आर हेल्पिंग इन द सेंस लाइक द डॉक्टर्स एंड द नर्सेज. आप जिसके लिए ग्रेटफुल हो रहे हो वो सिर्फ आपके मन में जो आ रहा है वो ही आपके लिए मैजिक क्यू है. इसका मतलब आपने उस पर्टिकुलर एरिया में थोड़ी कम ग्रेटिट्यूड की थी, इसीलिए आपको अभी ध्यान आ रहा है कि इसके लिए मेरे को ग्रेटफुल होना है. Okay, is this okay with everyone? That all the cues are personal. You cannot ask me or Tanvi or anyone कि मैंने ये देखा मुझे ये क्यों दिखाई दिया. नहीं, आपने देखा तो आपको अपने लाइफ में रिफ्लेक्ट करना होगा कि इससे आपको किस चीज के लिए ग्रेटफुल होना है. ठीक है, बट because you have just started into this, whenever you are seeing something जो याद आ रहा है just be grateful for that. अगर यही ditto example जब हमने फर्स्ट टाइम किया था तो हम यही चीजों के लिए ग्रेटफुल होता है. एम्बुलेंस, पुलिसमैन सब दिखते ही हैं. इफ यू सी द पुलिसमैन एंड अगर आपकी वो नोटिस में आ रहा है, दिखते तो हैं ही, बट अब कितने जगह ऐसे पुलिसमैन खड़े रहते हैं. डू यू एक्चुअली इवन नोटिस देम? टेल मी. एम्बुलेंस जा रही होती है, यू डोंट नोटिस इट. ठीक है, सायरन बजा रही होती है एंड इट्स अ लिटिल कि जल्दी से वो निकल जाए, वो आती है फीलिंग. बट अगर सिर्फ इतनी सी आ रही है तो कोई बात नहीं, बट if it is there and something is clicking, it is catching your attention, that time you have to focus and decode it for yourself that किसके लिए आपको grateful होना है. Yeah.
So like this whole book is a cue for all of us to be grateful for everything.
यस यस वंडरफुल नित्या या बट ऐसे नहीं है हर चीज के लिए तो होना ही है ग्रेटफुल बट अब हमको ये जो क्यूज मिल रहे हैं हमारी ड्रीम्स के लिए मिल रहे हैं ठीक है लाइक शी गिव अस अ वंडरफुल एग्जांपल दैट अभी तो बच्चों के बारे में कोई नहीं सोचा ऑफ कोर्स बट दैट एग्जांपल इज वेरी गुड दैट इफ यू आर नॉट ग्रेटफुल फॉर यू नो कितने जन होते हैं ना लाइक दे विल सी किड्स who are you know shouting या planes में especially you might have noticed कि बच्चे लोग रोए जा रहे हैं and some people get very annoyed some people are not affected so if you are getting annoyed but you actually want a family means कि आप तो उल्टा कर रहे हो you are looking at children and getting annoyed यूनिवर्स ने आपके पास बच्चे भेजे हैं be grateful for kids then only you will get your own baby ठीक है तो ऐसे ये वर्क करता है so if suppose if अर्चित इज नॉट हेयर अभी उसी की मेरे को ड्रीम पता है अच्छे से एंड ये तन्वी की ब्लू पॉश भी पता है बट वो तो ग्रेटफुल हो रही है ठीक है सो अर्चित अगर सपोज उसको प्लेन्स बहुत ज्यादा दिख रहे होते हैं हाँ मे बी प्लेन्स के लिए ग्रेटफुल नहीं है बट ही वांट्स टू बी अ पायलट तो उसको प्लेन्स के लिए और थैंकफुल होना है सो दैट वे इट इज लाइक व्हाट हाउ इट इज कनेक्टेड टू योर ड्रीम ओनली यू कैन असेस या
If you happen to see one of your material desires on your list, such as your dream house, car, motorcycle, shoes, or computer, of course, it's your magic cue from the universe to be grateful for your desire now.
Yeah, so this again, we have not talked about this, but it is, I'll tell you something. Like suppose, क्या होता है आपको कोई एक चीज चाहिए, it can be a fancy phone or a you know headphones or a laptop or a book or a pair of shoes or some cycle or some game or a PS5 anything you want it for yourself it's like it's there in your dream list but आपसे पहले आपकी फ्रेंड के पास आ गई ठीक है so what will your normal reaction be tell me you'll be happy or say oh tell me you'll be happy
did not that would be I think the first reaction and then we'll be like no it's okay it's fine that she got it I'm happy for you
okay wonderful अनुश्री मेरा ऐसा पहले रिएक्शन नहीं होता था ठीक है पहले नहीं होता था I was like of course I will not feel jealous but I would feel a little sad कि मेरे को नहीं मिला ठीक है तो now Rhonda Byrne is telling us and the law of attraction tells us कि अगर वो मेरे सामने आ गई है ठीक है मतलब उतने पास आई भले मेरी नहीं है बट सामने आ गई है मींस लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन ने उसको वहां तक भेज दिया है अगर हम उस समय उसके लिए ग्रेटफुल होंगे कि यस हम जैसे हमारी ड्रीम में ग्रेटफुल होना सिखाया गया है ना कि उसके लिए हमको पहले से ही ग्रेटफुल होना है इफ वी आर ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग इन एडवांस मींस इट विल कम टू अस इवन फास्टर उसके पास आ गई है बट इफ यू फील जेलस इफ यू फील बैड इफ यू फील सैड इट मींस दैट यू आर दिस इज कॉल्ड द लॉ ऑफ एनवी ओके
then it might not come to us.
Yes, it might not come to us. And इसका बहुत अच्छे से इसमें भी पावर बुक में भी एग्जांपल दिया हुआ है कि अगर आपके फ्रेंड के पास जब तक वो सपोज लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ PS5 ओके वो जब तक उसके पास PS5 नहीं था दैट पर्सन वाज योर गुड फ्रेंड आप उससे रोज बात करते थे अच्छा गुड फ्रेंड नहीं भी था नॉर्मल फ्रेंड ही था आप उससे इंटरेक्ट करते थे वो एकदम ठीक ठाक रिलेशनशिप था आपका जैसे ही उसके पास वो PS5 आया योर फीलिंग्स चेंज्ड ठीक है योर इंटरेक्शन विद दैट पर्सन टुक अ डिफरेंट टर्न आप उससे अच्छे से बात नहीं कर रहे हो मे बी उसको अवॉइड कर रहे हो तो क्या चीज डिफरेंट है सिर्फ वो PS5 डिफरेंट है पहले उसके पास नहीं था अभी है तो एक्चुअल में आपकी फीलिंग्स किसके लिए इस टाइप की हो रही है नेगेटिव फीलिंग्स किसके लिए हो रही है उस PS5 के लिए हो रही है ठीक है लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन यही देखता है कि सामने वाला पर्सन तब तक एकदम ठीक था जैसे ही उसके पास ये PS5 आया तब मेरी फीलिंग्स चेंज हो गई तो एक्चुअल मेरी फीलिंग्स किसकी तरफ डायरेक्ट हो रही हैं क्या चेंजिंग फैक्टर था दैट PS5 लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन विल से इसको PS5 नहीं चाहिए लेट्स टेक इट बैक तो वो आपको नहीं मिलेगा ड्रीम में लाइक खुशी सेड इफ यू आर गिविंग नेगेटिव फीलिंग्स टू अ थिंग व्हिच अनदर पर्सन हैव एंड यू वांट इट फॉर योरसेल्फ इट विल नॉट कम टू यू तो अब आप जितने बार देख रहे हो कुछ भी ठीक है जो आपको चाहिए और सामने वाले के पास है इमीडिएटली स्टार्ट सेइंग वाओ इट्स सो नाइस थैंक यू इट्स लाइक यू नो ऐसे करना है स्टॉप your feelings to go below the line immediately say wow it is looking so nice बस just start that हमने भी यही स्टार्ट किया कि जो हमको चाहिए और सामने वाले के पास अगर होता है immediately पहले क्या होता था चुप रहते थे देखते रहते थे ऐसे कर ठीक है it's like it can be a good body it can be good hair it can be a nice bag that I want it can be a phone that I want a laptop that I want anything जो हमको चाहिए और हम देख रहे हैं सामने वाले के पास है. इट कैन बी अ गुड पेयर ऑफ इयररिंग्स, शूज, बैग्स, ड्रेस, एनीथिंग. इफ यू रिएक्ट लाइक वाओ इट्स लुकिंग सो नाइस, तो क्या हुआ, लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन को दिख रहा है कि आई एम सो एक्साइटेड, ठीक है, आई एम लाइकिंग इट, तब वो मेरी लाइफ में जल्दी आएगा. So this paragraph is telling us that if you happen to see one of your material desires on your list, such as a dream house, car, motorcycle, shoes, with the other person, of course तभी वो दिखाई दे रहा है, मेरे पास नहीं है तभी हमको कहीं किसी और के पास दिख रहा है, then universe is giving us this cue to be grateful for that desire now. ठीक है? So is this clear with everyone?
Yes, Mas.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Yes, Avni, please continue.
When you begin a new day and someone says good morning, you're being given a magic cue to be grateful for the good morning. If you come across someone who is really happy, it's your magic cue to be grateful for happiness. And if you overhear another person saying thank you anywhere at any time, it's your magic cue to say thank you.
या तो अब आप देख, अब आपको बताते हैं कि जैसे हम लोगों ने पढ़ा ना, नथिंग इज अ कोइंसिडेंस, नथिंग इज एन एक्सीडेंट. कितने बार होता है आप कुछ चीज भूल जाते हो, और आप घर से निकलते हो, आप कहीं और आपको दिखाई पड़ता है, तो आपको कहता है अरे मेरे को तो ये करना था, मेरे को तो वो करना था. तो वो जो आपको चीज दिख रही है या आपने सुनी है, वो सिर्फ इसलिए दिख रही है बिकॉज वो यूनिवर्स ने आपको क्यू दिया है आपको याद करने के लिए, याद दिलाने के लिए. ठीक है, इट माइट हैव हैपेंड यू फॉरगेट समथिंग एंड देन सडनली यू सी समथिंग एंड यू आर रिमाइंडेड ऑफ that person and you call that person maybe, and you forget a birthday and you see something on the roads or on the television and you suddenly remember अरे उसका तो आज बर्थडे था. Has it happened with you? मेरे संग ये हुआ था recently. Yeah,
A lot of times.
ना. So those are the cues which universe gives you. Why? Because you must have been doing regular gratitudes, इसलिए वो क्यों मिलते हैं, वरना नहीं मिलते हैं और डांट ही पड़ती है बर्थडे भूलने के लिए, तो है ना. या बोलते हैं हाउ कैन यू फॉरगेट माय बर्थडे, दूसरे दिन ये वाला मैसेज आता है या कॉल आता है. तो ये सारे क्यूज हम लोग को यूनिवर्स देती रहती है. इफ यू आर ओवरहियरिंग समथिंग, समवन स्पीकिंग अबाउट समथिंग इन योर स्कूल और इन अ पब्लिक प्लेस और इन अ बस, अगर आपके कान में वो बात गई है, इसका मतलब आपको किसी को थैंकफुल होना है या आपको कुछ वो इंडिकेशन मिल रहा है. सो दैट इज व्हाई इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू बी अलर्ट एंड अवेयर around you. If you are always busy in our phone, on the WhatsApp, on the Facebook, and in our own thoughts, then we'll be missing out on these cues. So it's important to be alert and aware what is happening around me, and also to be, पहले हमारी ड्रीम भी पता होनी चाहिए, अदरवाइज वो नॉर्मल क्यूज रह जाते हैं. यूनिवर्स हमको हमारी ड्रीम्स के लिए क्यूज दे रहा है. दिस इज व्हाट रॉन्डा बर्न टोल्ड अस ऑन द फर्स्ट पेज इटसेल्फ. ठीक है, सो लेट्स सी हाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड these cues in our life.
Masi, can I just ask a question?
Yeah.
So, like just a Porsche example, if I want a Porsche, so I am reminded of being thankful for my present car and also for my dream car, right?
Yes, also for your dream car. And if you happen to see any good car on the street, okay, if you are seeing a Porsche, then wonderful. Each time you look at it, you should say, wow, such a beauty. When I drive it, it will be so awesome. I can just visualize myself sitting in the car with my friends, right? So you have to constantly be in this gratitude feeling whenever you see that Porsche. And the more often you are seeing, it means that universe कह रहा है आपने कम gratitude किया है, अभी आपको और करना है. ठीक है?
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
There are unlimited and creative ways the universe has to magically cue you to be grateful in your day-to-day activities. You can never misunderstand a magic cue or get a cue wrong, because whatever you think a cue is for, you're right. The universe uses the law of attraction to magically cue you, and so you always attract the exact cues that you need to be grateful for in that moment.
जैसे होता है ना, इसका ये पढ़ के हमको ये लगा कि कितनी बार हमको लगता है कि हो सकता है हमने जो बोला है ना मम्मा को खराब लग गया हो, ठीक है, बट शी इज नॉट शोइंग. मॉम्स आर आल्सो लाइक दिस ना, मेनी अ टाइम्स दे डोंट शो देयर एक्चुअल फीलिंग्स, बट हमको पता चल जाता है कि शायद उनको खराब लगा है फ्रॉम देयर रिएक्शन, फ्रॉम देयर फेस, बट सो मेनी टाइम्स वी जस्ट ओवरलुक इट कि नहीं ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है ना. हैव यू फेल्ट दिस? And then you just ignore it and you're happy in your own world. like क्यों, कौन बॉदर करे, नहीं मम्मा तो बहुत कूल है, उनको कुछ नहीं खराब लग सकता. बट एक्चुअल में अगर हमको लगा है कि मम्मा को खराब लगी है ये बात, वो 100% उनको लगी होती. सो एग्जैक्टली लाइक दिस, whatever your thought is at the time and you are looking at that thing, वही क्यों है. Now don't start thinking कि नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. In so many movies we have seen now, कि वो भूत के एरिया में जा रही होती लड़की, भूत आई एम इसलिए सेइंग बिकॉज़ अभी आई हैव जस्ट फिनिश्ड दैट स्ट्रेंजर थिंग्स, एंड वी not in this series but in the other ones we know it is dark, we know it is a lonely place, but still that heroine or that actor will go in that area and we as audience क्यों जा रही है वहां पे, क्यों जा रही है, have you felt that? But she's trying to be bold, she's not taking the cues, okay, or that music that is happening, and we are the ones saying कि क्यों जा रही है वहां पे उस वाली जगह में. Yeah, so whatever is your first thought or your first reaction, that is the cue that universe has given to you. ठीक है, तो उस चीज के लिए ही हमको ग्रेटफुल होना स्टार्ट हो जाना है. ठीक है, डोंट स्टार्ट थिंकिंग नहीं इसके लिए नहीं है, उसके लिए है, उसके लिए नहीं है. बट अगर आपके मन में ऐसी बात आ भी रही है तो सबके लिए भी ग्रेटफुल हो सकते हैं. ठीक है, सो जस्ट बी अवेयर ऑफ द क्यूज एंड स्टार्ट बीइंग ग्रेटफुल.
Cue the Magic has become a daily game I play, and with practice, I now automatically see all the magic cues the universe gives me, and I give thanks for every one of them. It never ceases to thrill and amaze me how the universe finds new ways to cue me to set the magic of gratitude into motion.
So now Rhonda Byrne is telling us how she takes the cues from the universe. Okay, so let's read.
When I receive a phone call from a friend or family member, it's a cue to be grateful for him or her. When someone says, "Isn't it a beautiful day?" It's a cue to be grateful for the beautiful weather where I live and for another beautiful day. If an appliance breaks down, it's a cue to be grateful for all my appliances that are working perfectly. If a plant in my garden is struggling, it's a cue to be grateful for all the healthy plants in my garden. When I collect the mail, it's a cue to be grateful for the mail service and for unexpected checks. When someone says they have to go to an ATM, or I see people in line at an ATM, it's a cue to be grateful for money. If a person I know comes down with a sickness, it's a cue to be grateful for their health and mine. When I open my curtains in the morning and see the new day, it's a cue to be grateful for the great day ahead. And when I close my curtains at night, it's a cue to be grateful for the great day that I had.
Yeah, so can you see how Rhonda Byrne is finding things to be grateful for? Okay, she's like finding things literally, ना कि ATM देख रहे हैं, वहाँ पे line भी है या जो भी है, she is thankful for the money she has and also the money that could be coming to her. Mail receive कर रही हैं, तो she's thinking of that yes, she has to be grateful for the mail people and also about the unexpected checks which will come to her. So see how she is finding things कि किसी को देख के वो उससे linked किस चीजों के बारे में grateful हो रही है. तो हमारी कल की प्रैक्टिस यही है एंड इनफैक्ट कल से ही ये प्रैक्टिस होनी चाहिए हर दिन के लिए कि किसको देखा और आपको वो क्या याद दिला रहा है. जितना ज्यादा ग्रेटफुल होंगे उतना ज्यादा मैजिक होगा हमारी लाइफ में. या yes Avni?
Masi, am I audible?
Yeah, now you are audible.
Yeah. To play Cue the Magic today, all you have to do is be alert enough to take 7 magic cues from the universe during the day and give thanks for each one of them. For example, if you see someone with your perfect weight, say thank you for my perfect weight. You can never do too much gratitude, so you can choose to do more, and if you want, you can even try to respond to as many magic cues in one day as you can.
Yes.
If you've been following the daily magical practices over the last 24 days, you will have reached a point by now where you will be alert enough to notice the cues the universe is always giving to you. One of the many benefits of gratitude's magical power is that it wakes you up and makes you far more alert and aware. And the more alert and aware you become, the more grateful you become, and the more easily you attract your dreams. So universe, cue the magic.
So tomorrow we have to look at, of course we are more aware. जैसे आपने देखा होगा ना कि now you are thankful, like खुशी you only said ना कि हम लोग को air के लिए भी thankful होना है. Some days back you were saying, and then you said Rhonda Byrne के लिए भी thankful होना है. Means you guys are already thinking कि किसको किसको ग्रैटिट्यूड करना है और किस किस चीज के लिए ग्रैटिट्यूड करना है. सो देन टुमारो इज गोइंग टू बी अ वंडरफुल डे फॉर यू, क्योंकि अभी तक जो आपने चीजें सोची ही नहीं थी, नाउ यू विल थिंक ऑफ दोज आल्सो. या एंड Rhonda Byrne is so cutely telling us, उन्होंने मुझसे शुरू में कह दिया कि यूनिवर्स इज प्लेइंग दिस गेम विद अस, एंड यूनिवर्स हमसे क्यों गेम खेल रहा है, ताकि हमारी ड्रीम्स जल्दी मटेरियलाइज हो जाएं. And in the end, she's telling, so universe, cue the magic. Yes, universe, let's play this game. You give me the cues, I'll find them, I'll give them gratitude, and my dreams are coming true. So she's telling us tomorrow, be more alert, more aware, and look for as many things as you can. She started off with telling us that 7 things ढूंढनी है. Actual में हमारी practice 7 things के लिए है. तो कल जब आप इंस्टा पे कोई चीज देखो, if it's about your weight, आपको अगर वैसा फिजिक चाहिए, वैसी ड्रेस चाहिए है, वैसे स्कोर चाहिए गेम में, आई डोंट नो, जो भी आपकी ड्रीम है, जिसको आप देख रहे हो उस चीज को देख के जस्ट से हाउ शी हैज रिटन फॉर द परफेक्ट वेट. ठीक है, बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट. आपने किसी का रिपोर्ट कार्ड देखा, ठीक है, या कोई अपने स्कूल की पिक्चर देखी, तो आई एम सो थैंकफुल, आई एम सो मच मिसिंग माय स्कूल, आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल फॉर माय स्कूल. जो आपको देख के लग रहा है, जस्ट स्टार्ट बीइंग ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट. ठीक है, एंड कैसे बोलना है, बिल्कुल ऐसे, थैंक यू फॉर माय परफेक्ट वेट. कुछ लिखना नहीं है, कोई फोटो नहीं ढूंढनी है, जो दिख रहा है उसी में ये चीजें दिखनी है. ठीक है, एंड शी इज टेलिंग अस दैट वी कैन डू इट एज मच as we want. We can never do too much of gratitude, but actual में 7 ढूंढनी है, otherwise जितनी ज्यादा ढूंढो उतना अच्छा. Yes,
Okay.
Let's read this.
Magic practice number 25. Cue the magic. 1. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you're grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. 2. Today, be alert to what's around you and take at least 7 gratitude cues from the events in your day. For example, if you see someone with your perfect weight, say thank you for my perfect weight. 3. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you, for the best thing that happened during the day.
Yeah, so thank you Avni for reading so nicely for all of us. Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, I would like to add in this practice that it's not just about the things that you want. Okay, like suppose you see someone who is not so blessed. Okay, that time also you can say ki, thank you God, I'm so blessed for the house that I have, for the family that I have, yeah, for the perfectly balanced fit body that I have, because of the situations that are happening around in the city, or not just the city, in the whole world. If you are looking at something even on the television, you feel कि ये तो कितनी sad सी बात है. That time also it is a cue for you कि yes, you have to be grateful for the blessings that you have in your life. Okay, so you have to find those 7 cues, and हमको चाहिए मैसेज में लिखे हुए. ठीक है, आप लोग लिखते नहीं हो, बट मेरे को चाहिए कि आपने कौन से क्यूज देखे और उसके लिए थैंकफुल होना है. जैसे हम अपना क्यू बताते हैं, व्हेन आई सॉ हैप्पी बर्थडे रिटन बिहाइंड अनुश्री ऑन द वॉल, आई सेड यस, आई एम सो ब्लेस्ड, मेरा भी बर्थडे बहुत अच्छे से मनाया गया था, थैंक यू, ताकि अगले साल भी तो मेरे को बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन चाहिए ना. यस, सो आई नोटिस देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल बोर्न इन दिस month, right? Tanvi's birthday.
May to June.
Yeah, yes, May to June. Tanvi, Avni, Anushri, Ishita, 4 तो है, और बाकी लोग का कब कब?
Manasri.
Sorry?
Mine's on 7th.
Mine June 25th.
Mine's on 7th.
Oh, तो मेरे को याद नहीं रहेगा, सबको मैसेज में भेजना पड़ेगा. As it is, my memory is very strong. ठीक है, तो please.
When is your birthday?
Oh, I'm in March. तो मेरा तो छूट गया. ठीक है, अगले साल अगर अपन मिलेंगे तो मिलेंगे. ठीक है. Khushi is also in March or February?
Feb.
Yeah.
Mine is also in February.
Mine is in June only, like 25th.
25th. Khushi, yes, 25th June. Okay, wonderful. So, Ahana, yours?
11th July.
11 July. Okay, cool. तो सबका अभी यही है. Yes. And Priya and अच्छा वंशिका, आप लोग भी बता दो. Special invitation चाहिए रहता है आप लोग को. हाँ, what is this? हाँ? नहीं, they are not here means, हाँ.
Yeah, I'm here. Sorry, I couldn't.
Hmm.
क्या बोले?
See, this is why you were not here. That is why cameras have to be on. Yeah. So, when is your birthday?
7th June.
7 June. Cool. See, your पूरा
One
June
day.
batch है यहाँ पे. Wonderful.
My birthday is on 31st December.
31st
Oh
December.
wow.
Cool. तो बहुत अच्छा celebration है ये तो, हाँ.
Mine is on 1st January.
1st January. Okay. Actually, wonderful. And Vaishnavi, yours? Oh, she's also missing. हाँ, सब आ जाते हैं पर सब भाग जाते हैं, I guess. Yeah. Okay. So tomorrow, please do this practice and please सबको अपने cues with your birthday date लिखने हैं, ठीक है? ताकि हमको याद रहे. हाँ. And then I'll assign one class captain जिसको सारा Excel में बना के हमको भेज देना. Birthday is not the cues. Okay. So wonderful. And let's see each other tomorrow
I
evening.
wrote for you in my morning blessings today.
Oh, thank you, Nitya. I'm so touched. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. So keep doing the practices and life will be wonderful. Okay. So because अभी आप लोग just अभी start किए हो, जितना ज़्यादा feelings अभी आएंगी ना, और अभी से ही life अच्छी होनी start हो जाएगी. ठीक है? So it will be wonderful. So let's do the gratitude and any question? No?
Nancy, I have a sharing.
Yes, yes, please. Yeah.
So on my day, the friend that I was talking about,
Yeah.
so she, like, midnight, 3 of my friends, like we were a group of 4, so the other 3, they just like they made a video and they included the friend that didn't used to talk to me, and she, like, they made a video, and the next day the friend messaged me, and she was like, happy birthday, enjoy your day. She didn't call me, but I was happy that she messaged me, and then she made a video also.
Okay, wow, very nice, very nice. And this was the one who had not spoken to you for 8 to 10 months, right?
Yeah.
Yes, wonderful, very nice. So keep doing the blessings and keep, writing about whatever you are wanting. Okay, and you have to look at your dream list. ठीक है, अभी जितने प्रैक्टिस थे हम लोगों ने वो कर लिए. अब वो ड्रीम लिस्ट जितने ज्यादा बार आप देखोगे पढ़ोगे उतना जल्दी वो मटेरियलाइज होएगा. ठीक है, ऑफ कोर्स वो वाला नहीं जो 10-20 years बाद वाला है, वो नहीं, पर जो छोटे छोटे जो भी ड्रीम्स हैं वो मटेरियलाइज होंगे. जो बाद के ड्रीम्स हैं एटलीस्ट उनका पाथ खुलना शुरू हो जाएगा. ओके, एंड विजन बोर्ड बनाना बहुत जरूरी है. इट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है, बिकॉज इफ आई जस्ट tell you again, there are 5 things which attract the things that you want in your life. One is to look at it, to hear it. Acha, ye bhi karna hai. Whatever your dream is, you can just record it in your voice, okay, and keep it in your phone. Listen to it. ठीक है, तो देखना, पढ़ना, बोलना, I mean सुनना, माने all these organs जो हमारे sense organs हैं, and visualization. Visualization, अब जैसे ये हाथ है ना, इसमें सब important है, but isn't this the most important? इसके बिना हम लोग का सारा काम कितना डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा. सो व्हेन यू आर वांटिंग योर ड्रीम्स टू कम ट्रू, विजुअलाइजेशन इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है, हम लोग पावर बुक में ये पढ़े हैं कि 7 minutes एक ड्रीम को विजुअलाइज करना होता है. 7 minutes. You have to set your timer for 7 minutes and then just be in that dream. Okay, have I told you कि ड्रीम को कैसे विजुअलाइज करना है? Was it in the dream session? Did I tell you? No. तो क्या करना है आपको, like suppose जैसे yes, I think I told you Tanvi's example only I had mentioned that Tanvi had told कि उसको Porsche चाहिए, right? उसको Porsche जहाँ पे, I'm sorry Tanvi, I forgot which city was it, LA or New York, हम भूल गए.
LA.
Yeah, तो LA में है वो. She's sitting in the Porsche and she's using her senses in that dream. Yeah, कैसे कि वो उसकी सीट का कुशन फील कर रही है, मे बी म्यूजिक सुन रही है, देख रही है, ठीक है, एंड लेदर टच कर रही है उसका, विच इज, और ऑफ कोर्स देख तो रही है, सुन रही है अपनी फ्रेंड्स की बातें या कार का म्यूजिक. सो व्हेन यू आर इन दैट विजुअलाइजेशन, व्हेन यू आर थिंकिंग अबाउट दैट ड्रीम, यू हैव टू यूज योर सेंसेस. इफ इट इज अबाउट योर ग्रेजुएशन पार्टी, ओके, और योर एडमिशन इन योर यूनिवर्सिटी, so there again you have to see that if you are in that university, what is the weather, what are you wearing, what are you touching, what are you hearing, what are you smelling, ठीक है, and what are you eating, it can be that also. क्या, so you are using all your senses in that visualization and that dream, so that will attract that dream faster, because when you're visualizing that time, you are, when you are almost पूरा सब कुछ समझ में आ रहा है. like if I tell you Goa, you know कि yes पैर के नीचे सैंड आ रही है, चिपचिप आ रहा है, राइट, पूरा आ जाएगा ना. तो you have to feel it, then it will start happening faster. Okay, so let's do the gratitude and see each other tomorrow. Yeah, so let's join our hands and close our eyes and pay gratitude to the Supreme Power. Thank you, thank you, thank you to the great Almighty and the beautiful 5 elements of nature. Thank you for filling our life with abundance in love, abundance of luxuries, and abundance of health. Thank you for giving good health to my family and my loved ones. Thank you for filling my life with the cues that you give me to attract my dreams. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so thank you, everyone.
There is a hospital right in front of where I'm sitting, so I just give gratitude for my perfect health.
Yes, and also for your family members, right? You can do that also.
Yeah.
This chapter, हमको पता ही नहीं था, मेरे घर के ठीक सामने एक ATM था. And the day I read this, like, wow, every day I can be thankful. और वो अब ATM वहां से बेचारा चला गया, but बहुत दिन था, I was like right outside the window, and I was like, wow, I can be thankful for the money that I have in my account.
That was my exact thought when I looked at the hospital, because it's like right next to my home right now.
Yes, yes, wonderful. See, so each time, like, see, अभी इतने सारी ambulance की आवाज आती है ना, so whenever I listen to it, I'm like, I'm so thankful for the health of my family and my health. So I'm like doing it all the time. Now, so do that. Okay. Yes, wonderful. And see you tomorrow. Keep smiling and remember your magic rock at night. Okay. Yeah. Bye bye. And happy birthday, Anushri, once again.
Happy birthday.
Thank you so
Yes.
much.
Happy birthday.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Oh, हम लोग warm up भी इसी का कर सकते थे. Let's do a cool down with that. Okay. Okay. So one, I hope it's louder than the warm up that we do. Okay. Yes. So 1, 2, 3, start. Happy birthday.
Birthday to you.
Happy birthday
Birthday
to you. Happy
Happy
birthday,
birthday,
dear
dear
Anushri.
Anushri.
Happy
birthday
birthday to you.
Wonderful. Okay. God bless you all and see you tomorrow. Yes. Bye bye.
Thank you, Auntie.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.